Virtual machines once revolutionized IT, but today they pose significant limitations. Rising costs and vendor lock-in are major drawbacks, making them less appealing in the modern tech landscape. Containers have emerged as the industry standard, offering agility and efficiency. They provide a lightweight, scalable alternative to VMs, enabling faster deployment speeds and cost reduction. Containers are not just a trend, they are today's standard of IT infrastructure. Built-in security features make them more secure than traditional VMs, ensuring robust protection for your data. With containers, enterprises achieve significant cost reduction by eliminating VM sprawl and hypervisor overhead. They also offer multi-cloud and hybrid flexibility, allowing seamless workload transitions. CIOs face challenges like cost, security, and agility due to VM reliance. A container-first strategy addresses these issues holistically, enhancing cloud flexibility and AI readiness. By adopting a container-first strategy, organizations can eliminate VMware licensing overhead and improve resource efficiency, paving the way for a more agile and secure IT environment. The Crossvale Container First Assessment offers a structured approach to transitioning from VMs to containers. It evaluates workloads, infrastructure, and licensing for containerization. This assessment provides a clear roadmap for IT transformation, ensuring a seamless transition to a containerized, Kubernetes-powered environment. Week 1 focuses on discovery and workload analysis to identify quick wins. This phase catalogs all VM-based workloads and classifies them based on business criticality and performance requirements. Week 2 involves solution design and migration strategy for a seamless transition. It defines migration strategies and develops an infrastructure blueprint for OpenShift deployment. Week 3 delivers a roadmap and business justification to ensure ROI and TCO benefits. It provides a step-by-step plan for transitioning workloads from VMs to containers. Adopting a container-first approach leads to significant cost reduction and faster application deployment. It enhances multi-cloud and hybrid portability, reducing vendor lock-in. This strategy improves security and AI readiness, ensuring enterprises can efficiently run AI-driven workloads in production, paving the way for future innovations. Begin your transition with the Crossvale Container First Assessment. Leverage cross-deploy and pod-ops for ongoing management, ensuring a smooth and efficient transformation. Contact Crossvale to start your container-first transformation today. By embracing this journey, you'll unlock new levels of agility, security, and cost efficiency. By adopting a container-first strategy, you'll catch up to today's standards and future-proof your IT infrastructure for tomorrow, ensuring your organization remains competitive in the ever-evolving tech landscape.